Angry neighbor grandma.
Give me the ball! Look at me! I can kick hard! Oh no!
You kicked hit neighbor's grandma face.
Rude boy. Hey, you bad boy! Take this!
Huh, Kitty.
That's a lesson for naughty boys like you.
Mrs. Jane. Kitty passed out in the yard.
Oh my God!
Actually, it was the neighbor's grandma who threw a chair and hit Kitty.
No, Kitty, wake up! Why did you throw a chair at him?
He kicked the ball in my face.
It was an accident.
You are evil.
Hello, evil grandma. I come to send you to the evil planet.
Hey, who are you?
I am Robo TV Cat. Justice for Kitty. Now, go to the evil people's place.
You don't know what's going on here.
I know everything, because I always see evil. Goodbye.
Huh? Wait, where am I?
You are an evil planner.